Hi, my name is Gene Johnson, and I'm the leader of Team Johnson with Watson Realty Corp. in St. Augustine. This is your market update for the first half of 2013. The real estate news looks fantastic for sellers, but there are hidden concerns within these great-looking statistics. The market statistics for the first 6 months of 2013 are going to make a seller's mouth start watering, and at first glance, this would also be terrible news for buyers. Well, that's both right and wrong.
Closed or sold transactions for the first 6 months of this year, as compared to the same period last year, increased almost 14%. At the same time, the average sales price of a residential transaction rose almost 11% too. That's fantastic, wonderful, unbelievable.
Well, that's both good and bad news for homeowners. Good in that prices have finally showed strong, consistent recovery from the last several years of a severely depressed real estate market. Bad in that when prices rise, there's a certain segment of the buying public that are forced out of the market, or they have to settle for less house than what they originally wanted. The tax man also is salivating because property values rise with market values, and property assessments go up, and thus property taxes begin to increase.
Finally, the main concern for current events in regards to real estate is that interest rates have dramatically risen just in the last 2 weeks. A 30-year mortgage a month ago would have an interest rate of around 3.5%, and currently that same mortgage is hovering at almost 5%. Wow. This alone will eliminate some buyers and even make it more difficult for still others to obtain financing, and could stymie this robust growth.
Overall, every line item statistic is looking very good in that the available inventory continues to shrink and buyer demand is still currently strong. If you've been sitting on the fence, thinking about selling your home when the market comes back, or maybe in 6 months when I return to the area, stop. Get off the fence. Look at the things that can change in just 6 months. And if you're a buyer looking at that perfect time to buy, it's already begun to pass you by. But it's not too late.
Sellers or property owners, call Team Johnson today and let our superb marketing program get your house marketed and sold for top dollar. Buyers, call Team Johnson and let us help you find the good deals and the best financing options for your particular situation.